Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glowed.
Good morning. Ooh. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shake. I do vlogs, lifestyle, YouTube videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, click the bell to be notified whenever I make a video. So guys, it is Sunday. I know I said I was gonna make a vlog about the decorating and stuff, but as you saw in the previous video, I was like, man, I think it's enough, because we were trying to practice while Miss Price was decorating, because we're done already. We're not trying to practice in the meantime, so I was using the phone for like the music and stuff, so I'm gonna vlog her while she was decorating. So yeah, we never bother with that vlog. So it is Sunday, it's church day, so we have church first, and then in the evening we're gonna have the cantata. It's gonna be a rough day, and I doubt I'll be able to film either, because the phone is what I'll be using for most of the music. I need to charge it later when I come back from church. Yeah. So yes, right now it's 8:30 something, and I'm just waiting a little bit more before I go over. I gotta just go over now and set up, and then after I set up now, I'll come back. No set up. No about one after that. So yeah. Going crack today. The tree fell. Like, look at that. Everything mashed up over here, so we can't balance. Anyways, so yes, that's the decoration for the cantata. We're gonna have to fix back that tree thing, because everything dropped down. So yeah. So guys, the clips that you're about to see are from Cantata. So someone was asking me to video because my mom and dad were here and they wanted to see it. So I decided to, give you guys some of the videos, but copyright and all. So most of the videos that you'll be seeing, I'll probably like play the first, like probably second of it, so like which song would be there, and then the non-copyright music will be over it, because we don't want to get copyright here. So yeah, just so you guys would have an idea like to what we dance to, or what we yeah. So yes, enjoy the Cantata 2022. Yeah.
Good afternoon, my wonderful people. Let me first welcome Jesus with us today. Let us give God a clap of praise. Welcome, family and friends online and in the congregation, to
thanks so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click that bell to be notified whenever I make a video. Leave a comment down below, and you know, let me know how was the video. It's kind of like a cantata video, so as I say, guys, I can't really show you every part of it because, you know, copyright. So I hope you guys enjoyed nonetheless, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I know this video is kind of going up late, but I was busy at work, so I didn't get to edit the video. So but just I finished. It's like after 7, no, 2:07, you know, just I finished. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.